Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X5c Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, like so, and look for the power saving mode, which for me it is visible right here. Now you can also swipe down on this list until get extended. As you can see, we have a couple more things visible right here. And I also know that there's an additional toggle we can add. So we can do that by clicking right here on this box. And here we have it, the super power saving mode. I'm gonna hold it and then drag it somewhere here, drop it, click on done. And now we have both the power saving and super power saving mode, or ultra. And let's start off with the power saving mode. So we can tap on it to turn it on, or we can hold it, and this will take us to the settings in here and gives us actually quick information on what the battery gain that we might be looking at will be gaining. So in power saving mode, we are looking at a 43 hours of battery life, which is like 5 more hours. Yep, yeah, there we go. 5 more hours to a little bit more than what we would normally have with the normal mode. I wanted to say normal power saving mode, but with the normal mode. So yeah, 5 more hours, while the ultra power saver mode actually here gives us the expected battery gain that I would like to see. Now the reason I'm pointing that out is because I recently dealt with phones that basically had power saving mode, normal mode, and ultra power saving mode in a ballpark of like 3 hours of each other. Now, when you see what ultra power saver mode does, you will be shocked that you only get additional 2 hours over the normal power saving mode. So here we do have what we would expect, triple the battery life. So that's great. Now let's start off with the power saving mode. If we click on the drop down menu, it gives us a quick info. So dark mode will be enabled, auto sync and some other functions will be disabled, background app activity will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. Now, out of this entire message, honestly, the most important portion mentioned here is the auto sync. So the one right here. It sounds super benign, like nothing really serious, but it's actually the most kind of annoying and important option. So what it will do is disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device, and this affects how the device gives you notifications. So most applications nowadays require internet connection through your mobile or Wi-Fi. So any kind of messages that would be going through that, like any messages through Instagram, Facebook messages, and so on, would be requiring internet connection. And without it, they just can't deliver the message, nor even the application can even check if it's missing some kind of message. So you're basically going to unlock the device, and either it's going to automatically reconnect and check, or you need to open up the application yourself to see if there is some new notification, at which point it would check. So both the power saving mode and the ultra power saving mode would consist of this. Now let's just turn on the power saving mode, and you can see it turns on the dark mode right here, and other than that there's not much change visually. Refresh rate will be also reduced, which we can see right here, and yeah, not much to it. There is just a bunch of things happening in the background, but other than that, it's just saving power. Now, if we turn on the ultra power saver, we're going to select enable. Poof, Thanos snapped literally almost everything. So we don't have almost any applications on our home screen now. We have barely any brightness. We have 3 apps. We have supposedly 137 hours of battery life right here, with the device being fully charged right now. We have different wallpaper than what you might be used to, because it's primarily dark, so it preserves more energy. And yeah, it just tells us that we're in power saving or ultra power saver mode. We can exit it right here, and even our toggles are pretty limited. So anyway, let's close this up. This option is a very excessive one, so I would recommend using it if you have like last whatever, maybe 10% of the battery life, and you know that you won't be able to charge your phone anytime soon. This could extend the battery life for that additional time that you might want. So other than that, I wouldn't recommend turning it on, as it does limit the functionality of the device by a little bit. So anyway, with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.